If you're thinking about buying a laptop or an iPad Pro in 2026, you need to stop what you're doing and listen to this until the very end. The leaks are officially out, and they are terrifying for the competition. Welcome back to TapTech, where we dive deep into the future of mobile power. Today we are breaking down the absolute beast that is the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. We're talking about a device that isn't just a tablet anymore. It's a productivity statement designed to kill the traditional laptop once and for all. Samsung is reportedly moving to a Grade 5 titanium chassis, ditching the notch and packing more RAM than most professional workstations. You are about to find out exactly why this device is causing panic at Apple headquarters, the secret AI features that change how you work, and the official release window for the US and global markets. Let's get into the details that no one else is talking about. The first thing that will hit you when you see the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is the display, or rather what is missing from it. For years, we've dealt with that small notch for the dual front-facing cameras, but the S12 Ultra is the no-notch revolution. Samsung has finally perfected the under-display camera, or UDC, for a screen this size. Imagine a massive 14.6-inch canvas with absolutely zero interruptions. But it's not just about the look, it's about the tech. We are looking at a revolutionary Tandem OLED panel. This technology stacks 2 layers of organic LEDs, which results in a mind-blowing 2,800 nits of peak brightness. Whether you're working under the direct sun or in a dim studio, the HDR content will look deeper and more vibrant than anything you've ever seen on a mobile device. Now, let's talk about the build, because this is where Samsung is going ultra premium. Following the success of their series phones, the Tab S12 Ultra is expected to feature a Grade 5 titanium frame. Why does this matter? Because a 14.6-inch tablet can get heavy. By using titanium, Samsung is making this device lighter than the previous generation while making it significantly more durable. It's thinner, it's stronger, and it feels like a piece of high-end jewelry in your hands. This is the kind of engineering that justifies a premium price tag for the global market. Under the hood, things get even more insane. We are moving away from the MediaTek chips of the past and seeing a massive jump to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. This isn't just an incremental update. It's a generational leap in architecture. Early benchmarks suggest that this chip rivals the Apple M4 and even upcoming M5 silicon and multi-core performance. But the real kicker is the RAM. Leaks from the supply chain insiders suggest Samsung is offering a variant with a staggering 24 gigabytes of LPDDR6 RAM. You heard that right. 24 gigabytes. This is specifically designed for what Samsung is calling Neural DX. In 2026, Galaxy AI 3.0 is the star of the show. We're not just talking about circle to search or basic translation. The Tab S12 Ultra is rumored to feature on-device large language models that can handle complex video editing and 3D rendering tasks without needing a cloud connection. Imagine opening a professional editing suite and having an AI assistant that can automatically color grade your entire timeline or remove complex objects from 4K footage in real time. All powered by that massive NPU and 24 gigabytes of RAM. This is why it's a laptop killer. With the new Hyper-DeX mode, you can plug this into a monitor and run a full desktop experience that feels as snappy as a high-end Windows PC. And we can't talk about a Galaxy Tab without the S Pen. The S Pen Pro 3 is expected to launch alongside the S12 Ultra, and it's a game changer for artists. We're looking at a reduced latency of just 2 milliseconds. It's literally faster than the human eye can perceive. But the real innovation is the active haptic feedback. When you draw on the screen, the pen will vibrate subtly to mimic the texture of the material you're drawing on, whether it's the tooth of paper, the drag of a brush on canvas, or the glide of a pen on glass. It makes the digital experience feel physical. Furthermore, Samsung is introducing a new cooling system called Vapor Chamber Max. Because the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 pushes such high clock speeds, This massive heatsink ensures that the tablet can maintain peak performance during hours of intense gaming or video exporting without thermal throttling, making it truly professional grade. 4. Those of you worried about battery life with all that power, Samsung has a plan. We're expecting an 11,800 mAh or even 12,000 mAh cell. But the real headline is the charging speed. After years of being stuck at 45 watts, rumors suggest Samsung is finally jumping to 80-watt super-fast charging. In a world where we're always on the move, being able to juice up this giant screen from 0 to 50% in about 20 minutes is a necessity, not a luxury. Activity is also getting a massive boost. We're looking at Wi-Fi 7 as standard. And a 5G modem that supports the latest umwave bands for blistering speeds in major cities like New York, London, or Tokyo. Samsung is also reportedly adding a dedicated satellite SOS feature, ensuring that if you're taking your productivity to the remote wilderness, you're never truly off the grid. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Price and release date, based on the 2025 launch of the S11 series. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to follow a similar cycle. Look for an unpacked event in late August or early September 2026. As for the price, prim materials like titanium and Tandem OLED don't come cheap. In the US, the base 256GB model is expected to start around $1,249, with the 24GB RAM and 1TB storage monster potentially hitting the $1,800 mark. It's a steep investment, but when you consider it replaces both a high-end tablet and a professional laptop, the value proposition starts to make a lot of sense for power users. But here's the catch that most people are missing. Samsung is rumored to be simplifying the lineup. There may not be a Plus model this year. It could just be the standard 11-inch S12 and the massive 14.6-inch S12 Ultra. This shows that Samsung is betting big on the Ultra, being the one-size-fits-all solution for professionals who want the best of the best. If you are currently on a Tab S8 or S9, the jump to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 and the Tandem OLED display is the biggest leap we've seen in the history of the Galaxy Tab lineup. This isn't just a screen for watching media. It's a professional-grade tool that finally closes the gap between mobile and desktop. Additionally, rumors suggest a new magnetic keyboard accessory that includes a haptic glass trackpad, bringing glass trackpad, bringing the typing experience closer to a MacBook Pro than ever before. This accessory might even feature its own secondary battery to extend the tablet's life further during long flights or work sessions. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung can achieve when they stop playing it safe and start swinging for the fences. Sleek, it's powerful, and it's coming to redefine your workspace. Thank you so much for listening to this deep dive on Tap Tech. We've covered everything from the titanium build to the insane 24GB of RAM and the revolutionary no-notch display. We want to hear from you. Does the lack of a notch make this a must-buy for you? Or is that price tag a bit too much for a tablet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Tap Tech with notifications turned on. We've got more exclusive leaks on the Galaxy S27 and the next generation of foldables coming your way very soon. Till next time, stay ahead of the curve, and we'll see you in the next one.